Things to consider when shopping for an acoustic guitar. There are many things to consider when shopping for an acoustic guitar. Amongst these are undoubtedly price, the skill level of the guitarist, and the kind of music that will be played. On top of that, you will want to think about precise characteristics to the guitar itself. The light materials used in construction, the kind of neck, the guitar size, and whether or not the guitar has electronics on board. Price. How much a guitar would cost is absolutely a substantial factor. Everybody has a budget in buying a new acoustic guitar. Therefore, knowing the cost range you would need to work with helps you narrow down a few of the brands, makes, and models you will be considering. Evidently, if your cost range is between $100 and $500, you simply won't be checking out Gibson or Taylor as one of the brands you should look at. Traditional acoustic guitars can vary from under $100 to literally $10,000, so there is a great range to work with. The guitar's level of skill. If you're just starting to learn to play a guitar, it's not advisable to get a high-priced acoustic guitar. On the bright side, a proficient guitarist is likely to simply adore something a little better. Apart from that, to buy an acoustic guitar is comparatively independent of the skill level of the player, music genre, and type. Acoustic guitar are incredibly capable of playing all types of music, from classical to hard rock to country to ska. If you're shopping for an acoustic guitar yourself or for someone you know, you really needn't be worried about the type of music the player enjoys. Acoustic guitars can literally handle it all. Construction. As you may expect, the type of wood used in the construction of the guitar has a major impression in tonal characteristic and quality. Usually, several materials are used in the top, back, sides, and neck, which also affects the guitar sonic signature. Sitka spruce is commonly used for the soundboard, which is the top panel of the guitar. Sitka spruce carries a loud, hearty tune that is good for a variety of playing conditions. Maple is more likely to give an acoustic guitar a flatter sound but produce a difference from the between is played with an amplifier. Alder is another common wood used in acoustic guitar construction and provides a strong middle wavelength response pattern that is neither too high nor too low. Mahogany is sometimes used in the tops of the acoustic guitars to supply the tune a solid resonant tone with a better response in the upper register. Koa, Brazilian rosewood, Indian rosewood, and ebony are just some of the woods used in making an acoustic guitar, but less popular. To sum it up, there are varieties of sizes woods used in construction, amplifiable characteristics, and trims. Additionally, there are several brands ranging from hundreds to thousands of dollars. Before you buy an acoustic guitar, devote some time preparing a list of the main factors to think about from the tips we gave in this article. Please visit the site shown for more details. Thank you.